wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best GPS drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, an HD camera mounted beneath the Holy Stone HS700 transmits a live feed up to 1,300 feet away using the 5 GHz band, though it can be tricky to set up at first. It offers a relatively affordable entry point into programmable flight paths and smart return-to-home functionality. It allows for a 110-degree field of view, however there's no video stabilization, and it takes a while to charge. At number 9, the powervision poweregg navigates using a system that takes advantage of both North American and Chinese satellite constellations for increased accuracy. It comes with a 4K camera capable of 30 frames per second, mounted to a 3-axis gimbal. It features a futuristic appearance and orbital subject tracking, but it is heavier than most. Coming in at number 8 on our list, generally considered the most feature-rich consumer model yet released, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 packs a 4K 60 frames per second camera with a high-end 20-megapixel sensor. Its 4.3-mile control range and roughly 30 minutes of flying time surpass nearly everything else out there. It boasts advanced visual tracking and can reach 45 miles per hour. However, it costs quite a bit. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for GPS drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, although it's certainly not the most expensive, the autel Robotics Evo has some powerful features that are often found on more advanced models. Above average transmitter range, 4K 60 frames per second recording, and a durable build quality make this a great choice at a moderate price. It's equipped with obstacle detection sensors and is a compact construction, but there's no orbital object tracking. Moving up our list to number 6. It isn't their top-of-the-line model, but at well under $1,000, the DJI Phantom 3 Pro is one of their most cost-effective. Its powerful light bridge video downlink capability lets you view a 720p resolution feed in real time. This one's suitable for indoor flight, and the battery lasts for up to 23 minutes. It's great for amateur filmmaking. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Holy Stone HS100 offers a follow me function, altitude holding, automatic return to home fail-safes, first-person streaming, and up to 15 minutes of flying time. Despite all those high-end features, it's actually reasonably affordable too. It boasts one-key launch and landing and a headless mode operation. It also talks with GLONASS satellites. At number 4, bundled with an aluminum carrying case, a pair of batteries, and a controller with a phone mount, the potensic T25 includes just about everything needed to start flying. Its integrated 1080p camera has a 120-degree field of view and an adjustable 75-degree wide-angle lens. It features customizable flight path planning and advanced gyroscopic stabilization. It's relatively low-priced. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, an innovative folding design has made the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom one of the most successful new options among many enthusiasts. A 12-megapixel CMOS sensor with 2x optical and 2x digital zoom means it's especially great for traveling photographers. It weighs just 2 pounds and is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensors. It supports HDR photos. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for GPS drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, while it isn't as expensive as others from its renowned manufacturer, the diminutive DJI Spark is still one of the most advanced models around. Intelligent flight modes, active subject tracking, and gesture-based controls are among its most notable features. It provides up to 16 minutes of flying time, wind-resistant stabilization, and facial recognition. And coming in at number 1 on our list, one of the most compact on the market, the DJI Mavic Pro offers excellent stability, precise positioning, and cutting-edge power and sensor technology in a remarkably fast and reliable quadcopter that you can take almost anywhere. It also communicates with GLONASS and boasts a top speed of 40 miles per hour and a transmission range of over 4 miles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for GPS drones, or simply click beneath this video.